Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are diving into the best motherboards for the processor Intel Core i9 13th Gen 13900K. So this beast of a GPU needs a motherboard that can keep up, so let's review some picks from MSI, Asus and ASRock. Make sure to stick around till the end and don't forget to check the links in the description for all the details. You can find the links in the description, guys, don't forget. Right, so let us review the first board, which is the MSI Meg Z790 Ace Max. So this motherboard is built for high-end performance with support of PCIe 5.0, making it future-proof for high-speed SSDs and GPUs. With its robust power delivery system, it can handle the power-hungry i9 without breaking a sweat, and with Thunderbolt 4 you get ultra-fast data transfer speeds. If you're aiming for ultimate performance and features, this one's a solid choice. Okay, next one we have is Asus ROG Maximus Z790 Hero. So let's talk about it. This one is a motherboard that is a top tier option for gamers and content creators alike. With Wi-Fi 6E support and 10 GB Ethernet port, your connectivity speeds will be lightning fast. It also features excellent VRM cooling to keep your i9 running at its peak performance. Plus, it looks fantastic with RGB customization options. And then number 3, we have ASRock Z790M PG Lightning. So for those looking for something more affordable, the ASRock PG Lightning delivers fantastic value. This motherboard supports DDR4 RAM, which is a great option if you're upgrading on a budget. Despite being a micro ATX, it still packs in all the necessary features like PCIe 4.0 support and solid VRM cooling for stable power delivery. A great choice if you're building a compact but powerful system. Now we also have MSI MPG Z790 Carbon Wi-Fi. So if you're after a sleek motherboard with Wi-Fi 6 and solid build quality, the MSI MPG Carbon Wi-Fi is an excellent pick. It's designed for gaming enthusiasts with a focus on durability and performance. It supports PCIe 5.0, which is great, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 and DDR5 memory, everything you need for a top tier rig for gaming and work. And of course, it features amazing RGB lighting. Okay guys, so to wrap up, the best motherboard for your Intel Core i9 13 Gen 13900K will depend on your specific needs, whether that's top-end performance, budget-friendly options, or compact builds. These boards all bring excellent features, and you can find more details in the description below. Don't forget the links is in there. And if you want to buy any of these boards, of course guys, you can find the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check the links, of course. Happy building, enjoy gaming, working. See you next time.